Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python programming series. Today we are going to be talking about dictionaries in Python. So, dictionaries are a powerful data type that allow us to store key value pairs, making our program more efficient and flexible. A dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Each key in dictionary is associated with a value, and we can use the key to access the corresponding value. Dictionaries are also known as associative arrays, maps, or hash tables in other programming languages. So, now how we create a dictionary. For creating a dictionary, we use curly brackets. For this data type, we use curly brackets. There are different data types in Python. For those, we use different type of brackets. For example, if you want to create a list, we will use rectangular bracket or square bracket. And if you want to create a tuple, we use a round bracket or parenthesis. And to create a dictionary, we use curly brackets. So here I have given my variable name my dictionary, where the value of my dictionary values will store. My dict I gave, then the key is name and the value is John. This colon here is separating the key and the value from each other, and this value John is associated with this name, the key name, and like this here 25 is associated with that age key, and the New York is associated with the city key. So here you will be wondering how we call our dictionaries, how we call our keys in dictionaries. Uh, as you can see, I have written here print, then the variable name where you have stored your key, and then the value, I mean the key name, then square brackets or rectangular brackets, and then the key name. For example, I'm writing here name, right? Name, yeah. So like this I'm calling this key, and it will show me this John, the value associated with that key. As you can see, it is showing me John. I'm writing a name, as I'm writing the key, and it is showing me John. Let's see if I change this name to 1. uh, will this may will this show the same thing there? It will not show anything because no key is associated to that. It will give an error. Yeah, because there's a key error. There's no name key in this thing. In this variable there is no name key, and if I write here 1, see, it is giving us John, as the key is here, 1 is here. So like this, let's make it to again name, here also name, yeah. So like this we can print dictionaries, and now we will be iterating the dictionaries. We can also iterate over a dictionary using a for loop, and when we iterate over a dictionary, we actually iterate over the keys. So here's an example for that: for key in my dict, and print key my dict, and key. So here what it's doing is, for loop we are starting a for loop. We are giving one variable key, in it will go inside my dict, this variable, and then it will go to, first it will go to this whole key and value pair, then it will go to this whole key and value pair, and it will go to this whole key and value pair. So like this it will go, yeah. So like this it will go, and let's see by running it. As you can see, first it is printing key, then value, then key, then value, then key, and then again value, like this. So it will print like that until all the elements are covered in this dictionaries. So that's all for today's video on dictionaries in Python. We hope you find it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or suggestion for further videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.